Hi everyone, I'm attorney Minhas. I practice U.S. immigration law all over the United States. Today, we are going to continue talking about the Parole in Place program that was announced by President Biden in June of 2024. So this has current updates on what's going on with the program, so make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so if you've been following me for quite some time, I did mention in my previous videos that we may face some type of legal challenges for the PIP program, and it finally happened on August 23rd, 2024. There is a lawsuit, Texas versus DHS, and Texas is backed up by at least 18 other states regarding this program. So I wanted to give you the most updated information so it might help you or someone you know who's either thinking about filing for PIP or already has filed. So August 26th now in 2024, the judge issued a stay on the program. So what does that mean? USCIS is still accepting applications, but there's a stay which doesn't allow them to make a decision on those applications. So if they want to grant you, they can't grant you. And now fast forward, there was some other information that we received where if an applicant was scheduled for a biometrics appointment, then nationwide they were stopped from going to get their fingerprints done, saying no, because there's a court order, we can't do biometrics. But quickly, I think within like 12 or 13 hours later, that issue was resolved, so that's good news. So heads up, if you do have your biometrics appointment set up, you must go and you must get your fingerprints taken related to the PIP application that was filed for you. So typically and generally, if you already know how the immigration process works, if you file an application and there is a notice that comes in about getting your fingerprints taken, you must go, because if you don't do that and you neglect to go, it can have a negative effect on your application. So if you have the biometrics set up or they reuse your biometrics, that's great. But if you have your appointment set up, please make sure that you go and you attend and you get the stamp on your notice and have it and keep it in a safe place. So that's very, very important. Okay, now after the whole thing that happened on August 26th by the judge issuing a stay, that stay was further extended. So now that stay is going on till September 23rd. And the biggest update is that there may be a hearing on September 18th, and we'll get a little more information about what's going on there. So if you are still indecisive whether you need to file or not, you really have to sit with an experienced immigration attorney to really lay out your options to see if it's worth it for you to file for PIP right now, or if you want to wait and see what happens with the litigation first, then maybe that might be the best option for you. But I did want to get this information out there. So, it's a lot of things that might help you in really determining what's really going on. And hopefully this was a lot more easier to understand than reading everything that's on the internet. Okay, everyone, so by the time I made an update video about the Parole in Place program, another update came out. So I figured, why not just combine everything together? So here I am with the newest update, and I just wanted to tell you that USCIS is still accepting Parole in Place applications. However, the district court proceedings and the stay are currently frozen until October 10th, 2024, based on an order from the Fifth Circuit Court. So keep October 10th, 2024 in your mind. And if you are still debating whether you should file for the Parole in Place or not, work with an experienced immigration attorney, get your information out there and evaluate your cases to see if you qualify and whether this is the right step for you to take by applying for the Parole in Place program. So again, if you have not subscribed, please do so now and hit the bell icon to stay updated on anything I post about U.S. immigration law and especially the Parole in Place program, which we know is a hot topic right now. So stay tuned and please do check back for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.